In the current pandemic situation, immunity has become keyword, and all the products which are having immunity boosters, they are really got very importance in today's situation. Consumer Associates has brought a Shield All, a perfect product for immunity boosting. And what is exactly Shield All? Mr. Subodh Pradhan is going to tell about Shield All. What is importance of Shield All? How does it work? How does it functions? And in current pandemic situation, how Shield All is going to help us? Mr. Subodh Pradhan, welcome to Thane Vartaman.
Hello.
My first question to you: what is the importance of immunity?
Immunity is most important for the health of any individual. Strong immunity takes care of any infections or virus. For the last 15 years, we have been propagating importance of immunity, which has been underrated till this pandemic. People have realized the importance of immunity now.
Yes, Mr. Subodh, rightly said. My next question to you is that how Shield All helps to boost immunity in your body.
Shieldol is a homeopathic product par excellence with a very specific mode of action. Shieldol activates macrophages, which are a type of white blood cells, within 48 hours. Activated macrophages, through a process of phagocytosis, takes care of viral load. Shieldol is a powerful combination of 11 ingredients. Of these three ingredients, arsenicum, propagated ministry of Ayush, aconitum, and thuja, makes it one of the most powerful anti-infective and antiviral agent.
Sir, I have heard that Shield All has come into existence with a technical collaboration with Switzerland. What do you say?
Yes, Shieldol is in technical collaboration with Bonaire Swiss AG of Switzerland. We manufactured Shieldol based on the technical know-how provided to us. Shieldol is backed by 15 years of scientific research.
Whenever we talk about any health related product, we talk about pros and cons of it. Are there any side effects of Shield All?
There are no reported side effects with Shieldol being a homeopathic product. There is a general perception in the minds of the people that homeopathy works slow, but Shieldol acts within 48 hours, which goes on to prove that it is one of the most fast-acting immunomodulator drugs.
So definitely, what you will tell, कि how many patients are using this product currently, and have you got any success story? What will say?
Shieldol is being taken by patients across India. Word of mouth publicity of Shieldol itself is a success story of Shieldol.
Exactly, you are saying it has very good results for COVID, but there are many patients who are having COVID as well as they are having comorbidities like diabetes, hypertension, and many other diseases. Can we take Shieldol when we are having comorbidities?
Shieldol is very safe and does not interfere with any other medications you are taken, whether allopathy, Ayurveda, or Unani medicines. Shieldol starts acting within 48 hours.
Sir, please tell what are the dosages of Shieldol and for how much longer period we have to consume this immunity booster Shieldol.
Shieldol, start Shieldol as soon as you start seeing the symptoms. Start taking 10 drops 3 times a day for adults and 5 drops 3 times a day for children below 10 years. If you want to have a long lasting immunity, it is better to take Shieldol for at least 3 months to have a long lasting immunity of at least 9 to 12 months.
Now my question is that if I really wanted to order Shieldol, where can I order? Is it available online?
Shieldol can be purchased from our website www.conceiva.com or on our telephone numbers. We will be happy to courier to you Shieldol within the shortest possible time.
So my last question to you, why one should take Shieldol?
To put it in a nutshell, Shieldol activates the innate immune response of the body and helps you overcome any infections or virus. And if you are affected by any infections or virus, helps you to come out of the weakness within the shortest possible time.
Exactly. This was Mr. Subodh Pradhan, Director of Cansiva Associates, and they have brought Shieldol, a immunity booster in market, and it is widely accepted all over India. Definitely, current situation is a pandemic situation, and everybody wants to protect them. And according to me, Shieldol will be one of the important tool. Subodh sir, thank you very much for talking to us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nitin.